How to buy shares of Inin Group AS on Euronext, ticker ININ.OL. Inin Group AS is a publicly listed industrial and technology company trading on Euronext under the symbol ININ.OL. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to make a purchase. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker ININ.OL to find the listing. Confirm the search result matches Inin Group AS and select the correct stock entry. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for ININ.OL. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct share. To invest, click Buy or Invest. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be executed when the market reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in the portfolio view once the order is executed. For a direct link to the example platform, see the description below.